Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make a quiz on Google Forms. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the browser. After you go that, please type on the search button Google Form. After you finish, just click go and then it will be generated into these pages. Now please kindly click the Google Form sign in. Okay, and then after that you just need to enter your email, and after that your password as well. And after you finish it, you will go or generate it into the Google Form page like this one. And after you are being in this page, you can first thing you do is just entering the title of the quiz that you want. For me, I want to make a math quiz, so I want to put a math quiz here. And then for the next place, don't forget to put the description about the quiz. For example, like the due of the quiz, please submit before 4 p.m. And after that, you're already to fulfilling the question. The things you're gonna do is click the untitled question here, and now you can start to make the question. Let's have a question like 8 4 equals 2. And now you can also adjusting the type of the answer. You can choose a short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down, and many more here. But since it's math quiz, I want to make it easier by choose the multiple choice. And now you have to prepare several options of the answer. One answer must have a correct value, and for the rest you can make the wrong answer. Okay, you can make it 3 or 4. Let's make it 3. And after you finish, don't forget to click this required button. Means that your student will not be able to skip this question. And after that, after you finish one question, you can add more question by click this plus button. And now you can add more and more questions. For example, okay, for the next question, just do the same. If you want to multiple choice or you want to change the type of the answer, just click it and choose what type of answer you want to have. If you want to multiple choice, just preparing the answer, one right answer and the rest is wrong answer. Okay. Okay, don't forget to click a required button being active. And then after you finished, just go into the settings and click the option of make this a quiz here. And now there is 2 options. Either you want to immediately after each submissions or later after manually review. If you want to review the answer by yourself, you can click this. But if you want to have the score immediately after they submit the quiz, just click this. Which means that you need to set the maximum value or maximum score here. For me, I set it as 100. So after we finish setting everything, this is for each point, so let's go, it's 50, so that the quiz will have 100 points. And after you finish, just go into this and please go into the link, make it shorter and copy the link to copy it in a WhatsApp group of your student, or you can send it by email too. So that's all for today's tutorials, guys. If you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this